In this one, we are going to see how we can create this amazing particle effect along the surface, or maybe how we can create this electricity along the surface. You see that? This is so amazing and yet challenging in SparkX. So let's see what's happened. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome back to my channel, and this is stream mode as I said before, and this is a quick tutorial about SparkX. SparkX is amazing digital asset created by our team, and this is amazing for magical effect. I talk about that in this tutorial, as you can see, and if you're not familiar with that, please watch that. And in this video we are going to see how we can drive the simulation along the surface, and this is so challenging. So if you like this kind of video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and let's jump in. So let's go to Houdini. We have this piggy, and as you can see, this is simple geometry. Let's go and bring a lovely SparkX, and let's connect that in here. And instead of driven that by velocity or geometry, I want drive that by surface, and I said that, and I can enable the particle, and let me disable that. And for the sake of this demonstration, I go with dark mode. Yeah, this is so sexy. And now if I play that, you see all the particle, it's traveling along the surface. You see that? This is so amazing. And let me bring that down, and this is awesome. And if you want to do something cool with trail, you can do something like that, and you can have a noise to it. You see that? So this is amazing. It's working like a charm. So I will talk about the geometry and beam look in the next tutorial probably. So let's hope for that. And yeah, let's go with Pyro now. Let's see if that's working or not. And this is a live demonstration, guys. If anything happen, do not blame me, please. So let's play. Yeah, it's not bad. We'll fix that. Let's see the smoke. Yeah, you see we have some movement along the surface. You see that? So this is with the Pyro. We're gonna make it better version after version, and this is the nature of developing new tools. So but the sexy one is electricity. See, if I enable that and if I play that, something in here, we need to increase the amount and the length. Maybe it's okay. Let me change the color to white water, and let's see, we have something but not quite there. If I increase that, if I reduce that, yeah, probably we need to fix that too. Nah, we have the length now. Okay, you need to find your sorry your value in here. So the amount will determine how much SparkX we need to have in here. You see that? And the length is determined, the length of this electricity, you can say. And let's go with 15. Yeah, you see, this is so amazing. And if I play that, let's have an animation. So what if I enable the growth? And let's play. We have a fast growth in here. Okay, let's make it 1, and the consistency, let's go with 5. So it's determined how much frame it's need to hold this electricity. You see, we have 5 frame and until the changes. So if I cache that, let's cache it, and let's wait. And of course, this is available on my Patreon. It's have a limited offer for 1 week for treasure member, and if you're interested, just join to that tier, and you can have this SparkX 0.1, and this one is the next version. So we are developing that and fixing the bugs, you can say. So we are back. It's caching, as you can see, and if I play, wow, that's so amazing. You see, this electricity or lightning strike, it's on the surface. Wow, this is amazing. You see that? Cool. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. You see? And of course, after the cache, we design that digital asset, so we can change the color after the cache if you want that, you see? And you can have something like that. Wow, love it. And this is the power of driver on surface or along the surface. You see that? That's amazing. And you can control that, see? And I don't even enable the Spark. That would be awesome, but yeah, maybe in the next tutorial. So let me show you one interesting part. You see, in this example we mentioned, all these input was a geometry. So let me show you something very interesting. Let's go. What if the input is Pyro rather than geometry? Let me show you in here. Let's say we have, yeah, velocity, and instead of geometry, let's create Pyro. And okay, this is it. But let me do that with the sphere rather than the PG. I need plain Pyro. Yeah, maybe let's bring that in here and this. Okay, let's have crazy Pyro, right? And let's increase the life and maybe that speed, and let's make it that 10. Yeah, let's see what we got. I need simple Pyro. Okay, that's good. So I will take that as an input. Now if I create SparkX, where are you? So now if I change the driver to the surface and I use particle, guess what? I will have pop advection out of the box. You see that? This is so amazing without going to pop network and set up all the headache. You see, this is the Pyro. Okay, and you can control that by this. For example, if I reduce it, you see we don't have so much pop advection, but if I make it 2, you see we have more pop advection. That's amazing. So let's make it 1 and avoid this craziness, and yes, let's make it that. So with that, this is SparkX surface driver. So if you're interested, just purchase that on the shop section, and until the next video, see ya.